हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंग्लिश उर्दू ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम लोग जो माध्यमिक के स्टूडेंट्स हैं या एचएस के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड के, उसके रिज़ल्ट और एग्ज़ाम के बारे में यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे। जो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है इसके लिए तो हमारे एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर पार्थ चटर्जी कोलकाता में ये ऐलान किया था। तो यहाँ पे देखिए लिखा हुआ है कलकत्ता, reading has come to a standstill. Closed school, college, educational institution. Although reading through virtual classes has been introduced, there are enough questions about its success, and in the meantime, there are the remaining 3 exams of higher secondary. Prominent people of Bengal have given their opinion to the higher secondary to change the next schedule. While the corona infection is on the rise, there has been a lot of speculation in the parents community about giving school exams. Head Education Minister Parth Chatterjee has expressed concern about the release of the result of the secondary examinations. Through various opinions have been raised about taking the rest of the examination. The future of the result of the secondary examination scheduled for July is practically uncertain in Karachi. What will the students do even if the results are published? How to reach the mark sheet? How will the arrangements this time? Education Minister Parth Chatterjee expressed extreme concern about this. If the situation is normal, the result of the secondary will be released, he said. According to the source, the process of publishing the secondary result is expected to be completed by mid-July next year as per the predetermined schedule. However, preparation for the release of the result have begun, but the closures of the school is creating extreme problems. Parth Chatterjee also indicated that it is not possible to publish the result for the time being. It is known at this time what will do after leaving the post. There is still a long way to go before the exams will be held on July 2, 6 and 7, but the education department is thinking of a decision. Regarding the release of secondary results, the education minister said, what will be the result of the secondary? Where will they go school? This is the state of college. How to reach the mark sheet? We are ready. We will make it only if the situation changes a little. We are telling everyone we are preparing in the same way. Secondary result can be published, but when can I get out? I did not get out. Mark sheet must be reached, admission must be rearranged. There is a complex process. It will not be the way it has been in the past. Everything is in our consideration, in the open, in the plan. Of course it will. तो यहाँ पे चटर्जी जो है, पार्थ चटर्जी जो हमारा वेस्ट जो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर है, पार्थ चटर्जी यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि 2, 6 और 7 तारीख को जो है, 7 जुलाई को जो है जो एग्ज़ाम है, बाकी 3 एग्ज़ाम है एचएस का, वो हो जाएगा और रिज़ल्ट भी जल्दी पब्लिश हो जाएगा। अभी रिज़ल्ट का कंफर्म डेट नहीं मालूम है। तो आप लोग यहाँ पर देख पाए कि लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ जो थे पार्थ चटर्जी के जरिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग, हैव ए नाइस डे।